heartbreak song.
Aloha guys, it's Peshina, but you already know that. If you don't, well, I am Peshina and I am planning something insane. I've never done something like that before and I don't know if I can commit to it, but I've added a twist to it. Okay, that rhymes. Well, I will be posting 60 videos in 60 days. That means every single day you get a brand new video. Well, you can comment a topic that you want me to engage in, and I am willing to do it because I'm getting out of my comfort zone. Well, the twist is if I don't make it to day 60, I will get my savings and go to a country, another country, probably in East Africa. I hate traveling alone. I never travel alone. I just hate it, but I love it at the same time. But that's not it. It would hurt me so much using that money because I couldn't commit to this one thing. Well, like, subscribe, comment. Okay. So to kickstart this journey, I will be cleaning my room. You already saw the thumbnail or the title, but I am never that messy. Mm-mm. I just did that for the thumbnail and hope that bait paid off. Let's get into it. I prepared some questions, just get us through the grove. And well, I'm watching Vampire Diaries and yeah, 1 a.m. of 31st. So you'll be seeing this video tomorrow. But before that, let's answer one question, two or three questions. Uh, are you a morning person or a night owl? I've never been a night. I've never been a morning person. I've already been a night owl. Look at me. 1 a.m. in the morning and I'm awake. I'm tired.
I literally slept at 3 a.m. today and woke up at 7 to go to work, come back. But now, here I am, night all it is.
Are you a pet person? Don't even get me started. Uh, I think they're cute. Some of them, though, but others, I'm not a pet person, but it is what it is. Tastes and preferences. So the laundry guy is coming tomorrow, and I needed him to get everything in order. The third question is, have you ever tried to break a bad habit as part of your routine? And how is it going? Well, I've been trying to wake up at 6 a.m. again. And how is it going? It went for the past 2 weeks. And then I went back. I backslid. That's it. You ever cry because of a movie or a series? Trust me, as long as the part is relatable too, I will cry. I'll use it as an excuse to cry for like the things I didn't cry about earlier because I'm an emotional person. That's me. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do like and comment. Again, I'm done with the cleaning. I cleaned the whole house literally because it's around 2:30. My phone battery died, like, so I had to charge as cleaning, and I couldn't show the whole other process. But I have two more questions that I saved for last. One, do you believe that time heals? Well, I believe that time doesn't heal. It numbs the pain. As time goes on, the pain is there, but you can't react to it. Like if someone hurt you so badly that you couldn't stop crying about it, or like overthinking about it, you reach a point and it's a memory, but it's a distant memory. Like the pain is there, but it is numb. Like I don't know how to put it, but time doesn't heal. It numbs the pain. Question. The last question is most embarrassing moment from the last year. So the only when I was writing down this question, the only time I could think about was my friend and I were in town, and it was around. It got late. It got around like 7 p.m. and we were hungry. We hadn't eaten the whole day, so we were like, and let's go to Mambo restaurant. First of all, it's accessible, and so we went there, and every time we went there we had never gotten the chance to eat pizza there. So that day was our day. We got an offer of buy one get one free, so we sat down and we waited, but we were so broke. We only had money for the pizza, but we didn't have money for the drinks. So on, the whole wait, it was like 40 minutes or 30 minutes or less. I don't even remember. But we ended up ordering bottles of sodas. Now, we took the soda, and by the time the pizza came, we had no drink. So we ate the pizza and until we were full, and we requested the waitress to pack one. Here is what is more embarrassing. So your girl, me, I forgot that we had drunk the drinks and they were done. But remember, we had eaten pizza, so I was thirsty. I needed something cold to drink. Your girl, you know those ketchup and chili bottles. It's usually yellow and red. Those bottles that are always put on the table. Your girl shoved one in her mouth. Like I end up. Tell me why I did that. Like I forgot. It was just for a second, but it was so embarrassing because that day it was a Friday, and Mambo restaurant is a Muslim restaurant. So that day it was packed. I don't know if anyone else saw it, but the my friend and the waitress saw, and we laughed. But it was so embarrassing. Now that I think about it, it's really funny. That's all for today. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, this is day one, 59 days to go. Ciao.